So this is the UFORU 4-tier storage organizer here. Now this is cool because you can get them in 2, 3, or 4, and what they do is they just clip on to each other. But surprisingly, these are pretty sturdy. I think if it's the same as what I have, it's 8.3 inches across, about 11, I think it's actually 13.5 inches deep. These are magnetic closure, so you'd have the 2 magnets right here, plastic doors, but they're see-through, and you do actually get some decent storage in here. We have a few laundry bottles just pushed back, and I think it can fit laundry bottles up to about 11.6 inches tall. I don't know about the width. Watch out. And this one, we just have some more laundry items. We have laundry stuff, laundry sheets, and then some like steamers and some dog items down there. But just a really nice organizer here. Again, you can get them in 2, 3, or 4 cubbies. This is just some extra storage if you kind of have a tight, narrow space in your laundry room or your bathroom. So I would recommend these for sure.